So this video comes from a live stream that I did with Trade Ideas where we started talking about my favorite scans right now and what I look for in the market from a swing trading point of view. Again, I appreciate you all for checking out these videos while I'm on vacation. That's why they're all recorded from live streams, just to make sure I can get some more content for you guys until I am back after Labor Day. If you want this scan, I'm going to put the link in the description below the video as well. So if you're a Trade Ideas subscriber, you can just go down there and grab the scan. If you're not and you're interested in becoming a Trade Ideas subscriber, there's also affiliate links down there as well that help out the channel. So check it out. Again, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys when I'm back. What I've really been liking recently is this, which is my version of the A table. So if you don't know what the A table is, it's basically Steve and Andy built. Okay, so all the way back. So we have something in Trade Ideas called the score, stock composite ranking system, and this was Andy's brainchild, and I just helped him with the math side of things as being the resident math nerd. But what this does is it ranks stocks based off of certain things like, you know, is the company making money? Are the revenues growing? Is it near or at highs? Is it above the 200-day moving average? And basically everything that we kind of thought was a tick in a stock's favor, we assigned points to it. So then it ranks those. So, you know, for example, a high-ranking company would be both technically what we deemed as technically and fundamentally sound. We put some statistics in there. We put a little bit of social stuff, a little bit of volume analysis. It's kind of a goulash or something of technical things. And then they ranked it based off of short float, saying, okay, what's a strong company that's very shorted? The theory, I think, without putting words in Steve and Andy's mouth, is that it's okay generally, unless you get caught out on Reddit, to short crappy companies, right? Because they're crappy companies. Who's going to come along and buy a GameStop or an AMC thinking that that's going to be a good company? Again, unless, right, you're getting these targeted Reddit attacks. But if you're shorting a company and that company is a great company and is, making money hand over fist, eventually that short is going to hurt you. So taking this ranking system and combining it with a short float system was a really interesting concept. But what I didn't like about that scan that they had was there was a lot of overextended stuff. So I just went into it and kind of tailored it to my liking, which again is the beauty of Trade Ideas, right? Take a scan that you find in the channel bar, you find online, or is shared in Barry's chat or Twitter or wherever, and then customize it, right? Say, oh, I only trade between these prices, or I only, I like mid cap stocks or large cap stocks, and you can just make all those adjustments yourself. So what I did is I just said, hey, I don't want it to be in the high of the 20-day range. I don't want it to be over the Bollinger Bands for either 60 minutes or daily. Basically just saying, hey, I don't want things that have already gone. And then still above the 10-day moving average is, again, no power, in my opinion, in moving averages, but just saying it's somewhat strong, right? I don't want things that are very low of the range. And then what I got is this scan, and I have been loving this scan recently. Like something like VXRT to me looks fantastic with a 20, nearly 28% short float. You can see that it's been struggling for a while to get and close over $9, right? So I'll just right click here and I'll say, let's create a price alert for $9 and hit okay. And that's something that I want to know. If this thing can close above $9, well, maybe it gets going with that short float. So it's the combination, and that's why I always call it the Trade Ideas hive mind, right? Because Andy came up with the initial idea, and then, right, Steve and Andy built the whole short flow component on it, and then I'm building the not ready for breakout component and the Jeet Kune Do, I guess, of trading for any of you Bruce Lee nerds like myself. So it's a really good, I don't know if there'd be a lot of value in day trading with this, but there is in swing trading. So like JBI, for example, I'm in JBI from 1375 that I got from this scan. So somewhere, I think in this area right here, I think I like this big bottoming tail candle. And if this thing can keep going, right, just by the merits of the fact that it's ranked at a 76, I know, well, the company's got to make money. It's got to have some cash on hand. The earnings have to be growing. And then technically it looks pretty sound as well. So it kind of takes a whole bunch of that analysis out, just knowing that it's high ranked. And as the guy who built the strength alerts and liking the whole concept of relative strength, this is something that really speaks to me, where I'm, again, some things that I think would really help traders is stop bottom fishing, stop top picking. You know, I don't need to get JBI from $12 to $24. If I can get it from, you know, this little pullback at 13 and get out at 16, I'm happy, right? If I can get VXRT, if I can get it from $9 and I can get it to $12, I'm happy, right? Just my, you know, give me my little chunk and I'll move on.